Skateboarders in Milledgeville are asking city leaders to consider building a skate park. Right now, they're not allowed to skate on sidewalks or roads.
And as 41 NBC's Amanda Castro tells us, they hope to have a safe place to call their own. It's a story you'll see only on 41.
Someone has said that skateboarders are basically outsiders who want to belong.
But these skateboarders feel like they have nowhere to go. They used to skate at an abandoned car lot. That is until the city tore it down because it was unsafe. Now they're asking city leaders for a skate spot.
It's not an actual skate park. It's smaller, it serves less people, and you can put small ones around your town that are cheap, easy to build, and they can be more accessible to children.
Ben Joyner with the Alliance for Milledgeville Progressive Sports says the plan is simple. Build the concrete skate spot here in Central City Park. It would have a quarter pipe, grind ledge, and a flat bar, plus a lot of space for skaters to pop an ollie or grab some air.
It's the third most popular sport with American teenagers since 2004. So it's mainstream. So that means that it's not just one walk of life. It's not just one type of person. It's a lot of types of people.
Joyner hopes to break the skateboard stereotype. He says this park will keep kids off the street and out of trouble, and the sport isn't as dangerous as you may think.
Safety is not really an issue. Skateboarding is statistically twice as safe as basketball, which amazed me even.
City Councilman Philip Joyner is working with Ben to bridge the gap between skaters and city leaders.
They're going to skate somewhere, and this is a spot where they can do it safely in an organized way, and we can have something nice built.
A place where everyone is welcome to skate. In Milledgeville, Amanda Castro, 41 NBC News.
And Councilman Joyner says the park would cost $5,000. He's scheduled to talk to city leaders during Tuesday night's City Council work session. Now, to be clear, Milledgeville is not opposed to the idea of a skate spot. City Council just wants to get more information before making a final decision. 41 NBC's Amanda Castro will be at that meeting, and she'll bring you the latest tomorrow during the news at 11.